How to set a home or work address in Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to the video, and today we'll learn how to set a home or work address on Google Maps. Now if you want to add your home address or work address in Google Maps but don't know how to do it, I'm here to help. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be good to go. First, open the Google Maps application from your phone. When you do that, you'll be into this interface. In this interface, you'll see different options. At the top, you'll see search here. Tap on that, and below this, you'll see two options that are home, work, and more. Now, you can select the home, and here you can enter the home address. You can also use your current location by tapping on use your current location option, or you can also choose on map. Now, if you want to add your work address, go back and in here you'll see work. Just tap on that and it will get you to this interface. Now, this is similar interface like home address. You can enter your work address or use your current location, or you can choose your work address on your map. So that's all for the video guys. I hope this will help you. If you guys have any further questions, please drop down to the comments. I'll meet you in next video. Thank you and bye bye.